Hi, this is Miss Liza again, and welcome to my Veran dance or Baile sa Bundok. This is our 5th episode or our 5th dance, and it's called HALINA SA MITHILA. Okay, it's the very festive and happy. It's our last dance, because after this I'm just gonna show you something that you could just do as a cool down or as a warm up also. So that's very easy, and it's not really a full-blown dance, but this is the dance. So I'm gonna show you the whole dance in one go and then in figures. So enjoy.
Halina sa mitla, halina sa mitla, siyudad na kaida, ikaya ang mitla. Halina sa mitla, halina sa mitla, siyudad na kaida, ikaya ang mitla. Kukontento ka na sa konting ligaya, wag kang pupunta sa siyudad ng mitla. Makalagang mga makaluwag ka ba, ay nakakatas mo ang ligaya sa mitla. Puso ang turista, wala pang sauna, di pa inang diskoteya, pero sa mitla, alam na nila kung paano makaliligaya ang pumupunta sa mitla. Halina sa mitla, may baka na si Janabang, anak raha, anak kaman ng pusa. Halina, halina, halina sa mitla, may baka na si Janabang, dito sa mitla.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you the dance figures. Our first figure, very easy. I'm gonna do it to my left, and that's your right. It's just a step, 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 point your feet, step, 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 point your feet. Okay, and then go down to your plie and just jump. Okay, you can land in this second position. I kind of just did a funky thing when I clicked my heels and landed on my second. Okay, but you could just jump normal, or you can just releve if you don't want to jump. All right, and you can repeat that on the same side or on your opposite side. But on the second attempt, you can try a little higher. Step, 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 lift your knee, step, 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 lift your knee. Okay, same thing. Go down on your plie and just jump and land on plie again. All right, so that's your first figure. And then it goes to a Charleston. Step, step, forward, point front. Back, 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 back to the back. 2 times to the front. 2 times to the back. Okay, of course you can use your arms. So on your first figure, you can put your arms up and down when you do the point, and same when you do your Charleston. Put it up when you go forward and put it down when you go. You can even do your Indian fingers. Okay, now you're gonna repeat that, and when you repeat it, there's like a little intro of a turn, and when you repeat it, you can do it a little higher. So step, 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 knees up, step, 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 kick up. Okay, and same thing, do your Charleston. Now the third figure is the last, and that's towards the end. All you have to do is do your port de bras. So you just welcome and call everybody in first position, and then in second, and then third 4 times. On fourth is 5 times, and then you end on 5th and just wave your hands or fingers whatever way you want, just to end the ballet. Okay, enjoy your dancing. Keep safe. Bye.